Hey you guys, my name's Josh and I'm out here at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys this awesome 2014 Wrangler Sport that we just got in. It's a really cool vehicle, it's got some cool features on it, but here's the kicker. It's only got 64,000 miles on it. It's at a tremendous value. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So starting things off with the wide shot of the vehicle, you can see we're going to have this beautiful black clear coat finish, and I think that pairs really nicely with the black fender flares and the black step rails. And you can see this Wrangler is going to have a soft top on the back, and that's going to make it a little bit easier to manage than the JK models. And you can see on the side right here, this Wrangler is going to be trail rated, and what that means is not just a badge for looks. The Jeep Wrangler is actually going to be tested across 5 different categories, those being traction, water fording, maneuverability, articulation, and ground clearance, to make sure you got the ultimate trail capability. So coming around to the front of the vehicle, you can see we're going to have this beautiful LED headlight system. So we're going to have these daytime running lamps going across the outside, and in addition to that, you're going to have high beam and low beams that are going to be LEDs as well. And in addition to that, your fog lights are also going to be LEDs. In true old school Jeep fashion, this Wrangler from top to bottom just feels like a rugged off-roading vehicle. You're going to get manual door locks, manual windows, and a manual transmission, which is something that's not common among Jeep Wranglers nowadays, but it really gives a throwback to the rugged off-roading days where Jeeps were used what they were meant for. So coming around to the back of the vehicle, we're going to have a full-size spare tire in true Wrangler fashion, and a cool little feature that this has, if you decide that you want to put different rims and different tires on, the third brake light actually has an adjustable height. And in addition to that, this Wrangler was also outfitted with the Flowmaster exhaust, so it sounds pretty sick. So opening up the tailgate, you can see we're going to have some storage space available back here. And then just underneath this panel, you can see we're going to have a little additional storage hole. And then in addition to that, you're going to have storage spaces for your roof pins and the pins for your door hinges. All right, you guys, this has been my short little walk around on this 2014 Wrangler that we just got in. It's a really awesome vehicle, like I said. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. Be sure to like and share the video. It really helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one that I make.